हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू योर चैनल 4S टेक्निकल एनालिसिस। 4S टेक्निकल एनालिसिस में आपका स्वागत है। इन कंटिन्यूएशन टू आवर 30 ट्रेड सीरीज, दिस इज द फोर्थ लाइव ट्रेड दैट आई वांट टू शेयर विथ यू. दिस ट्रेड वाज टेकन इन Greaves Cotton and I will share the logic, the setup and the risk reward behind this trade. Friends, if you are busy right now, please save this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and when you have 5 minutes to spare, you come back to this video and watch it peacefully. Please do not fast forward or skip any section of the video. There are a lot of learnings, in-depth analysis of the setup and the workings behind it, the risk reward and the rationale behind the trade. So I don't want you to miss any aspect of this trade. So this was a simple trend line and a support and resistance breakout. If you can see here, this is the snapshot of my trade book. We had made two entries in this stock. The first was made on 9th of April and the second was made on 12th of April. Here on the charts you will see the first entry was made at 134 and the second entry was made at 125. Come, I'll take you to the charts, my friends, and I'll explain this to you further in detail. This is the daily time frame chart of Greaves Cotton. Stock has been in a beautiful uptrend, had a good run up and then gave a healthy retracement back. Let's quickly go to the 1 hour time frame and understand this in more detail. As you can see here, my friends, this was the retracement that we saw in the daily time frame. So let me share the multiple confluences that I saw in this trade. So quickly, if I put Fibonacci retracement, if you don't know what Fibonacci retracement is, you can wait for me to publish a video on it. But in a nutshell, what is important for you to know right now is any retracement in an uptrend up to 50 or 61.8% is a healthy retracement, and we can expect that the stock will continue its upward journey after this pullback. Now if you observe here, stock ने दो बार 50% retracement किया and then it started its upward journey. So this was our first confirmation. Now we will go to a lower time frame. Here if you can see, I had marked this zone. So this zone was a resistance earlier and then it acted as a support once, support twice, support thrice. The stock gave a breakout, showed a range consolidation, and if I were to connect these 2 points, it also gave me an hourly uptrend. So keeping these points in mind, 50% retracement, second point was multiple signs of support, breakout of the downtrend, and fourth point was consolidation in a range, and fifth point was respecting a trend line. So keeping all these points in mind, I made an entry here, my friends. This was my first entry. And my stop loss was just under this swing. So as I've always mentioned in the past, stop loss should always be logical. हमेशा अपना stop loss logical रखिए. So in this case, I knew if the stock had to retest this level again while making an attempt in its upward journey, then this zone would be a good point where if there are genuine buyers, then they would react to this level and try to make further buying in the stock. And as you can see on the charts, my friends, the stock attempted 3 times. The buyers showed their support here, and once it gave a breakout of this level, a retest, there was a beautiful rally in this stock. ये दोनों ट्रेड का अगर मैं कहीं एवरेज कंसिडर करूं तो अबाउट 13 to 14% प्रॉफिट में हम फिलहाल इस ट्रेड में हैं. So considering that this is a positional trade, I don't intend to exit this yet, my friends. This is the current price action. I see this stock attempting to reach the levels of 155, 160. That is my current target right now. So let's see how this stock plays out, my friends. I hope आपको ये analysis पसंद आए हो. I hope you are able to correlate now that as a trader or as an investor, how we look for high potential trades, how we incorporate multiple points of confluences to get into a high potential trade where the risk is minimum and there is an opportunity of making maximum rewards. If you liked my analysis, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video, share it with your friends and family so that it reaches the maximum retail traders. And remember, random action always results in random outcomes. So always trade with a plan. And in the long run, you will always be a consistent winner. Stay tuned and God bless. Thank you so much.